Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this piece of jewelry as my example. It is a coat of arms shield pendant necklace. So I'm just going to bring it up here. I did a Google search, and as you can see, here is a similar one. So I clicked in there and it took me to another link, which gave me another link that took me directly to the Etsy page. And as you can see, it says the item is sold out, and if you click see item details, now depending on your phone, you might be prompted to open the Etsy app. Don't open the Etsy app because it won't work. This how-to video will not work for that. All right, so as you can see, this is very similar to my piece. It's just a little bit different in the middle. And when you scroll down, there is nothing here that tells you the price. So what we're going to do is click the URL and click your edit button, which is this pencil icon. You're going to go to the beginning right before the HTTPS and type view-source : and here is the source code. Don't worry, you're not going to make any changes to this. You're going to click over here on the menu and find in page and type listing underscore price, and it should pop up the highlighted wording that you just typed in. Just take your fingers and zoom in. You may have to go to the left or the right, but just keep zooming in. And once you're zoomed in, it'll show you the price. Now, this pendant was sold for $79. It's a good deal. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do. Now let's recap. Remember, 1. Tap on the URL. 2. Tap on the edit icon. 3. Type view-source : right before the HTTPS. And then, depending on the phone you have, you'll tap Enter or arrow key. 4. Once you're on the source page, tap on the menu icon and then tap Find in Page. You can see the screenshot to your left. And finally, in the search box, type listing underscore price and then use your fingers to zoom in. Once you're zoomed in, you may need to move to the left or to the right to find the highlighted listing underscore price word. Now keep in mind, this does not work in the Etsy app. I really hope you enjoyed this how-to video. If you did, click on the like button for us. If you would like to receive notifications every time we upload a new video, then click on the subscribe and notification bell on your way out. Thanks for watching.